Hello, I'm Xavi Segura. I am the infrastructure manager for EMEA. Okay, I work in Schneider Digital. I'm the manager of the global operation teams here in EMEA. Okay, and our main responsibilities is to keep our systems with a high level of performance, keep our system running. Okay, that is the most important to provide the service to our business, Schneider. We use AWS. Almost all the services that AWS is providing, since starting for the simple ones like EC2 or S3 buckets, but also providing other more complex technologies like serverless computing or high ability systems, etc. Our job makes the difference because we have an extremely good team. Okay, this is one of the most important. Second, we are managing the top of the technologies every single day. And it's also true that now there is clear strategy, okay, to move to cloud, and we are moving to AWS, the most critical system in Schneider, like SAP environments. First of all, I would like to highlight the team. Okay, the person that we have in my team are the most important. Okay, we have the right balance between junior and seniors with a high level of commitment. Okay, and second, for sure, is the technology. We are working with the top of the technology with AWS. It's not the future, it's the present. Okay, and also I really think that we are in the right place in the right moment.